वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कैप्टन स्वकाश। सबसे पहले सभी को ईद मुबारक, सभी सब्सक्राइबर्स को, और जो सब्सक्राइबर्स अभी तक जुड़े नहीं हैं आशा करते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द जुड़ेंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे मेरी वीडियोस को। तो जैसा कि आप सब ने स्टार्टिंग में देखा ही होगा, तो उससे आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो किसके ऊपर होगा। सो दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट द स्ट्रेट्स which I have transited. One of the states that connect the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Now I think you have the answer. Yes, that's correct. The answer is Magellan Strait, or also known as the Strait of Magellan. Now I have just told you, so I'll be discussing about the Magellan Strait. That is okay with it. But first of all, we must know what is a strait, right? Being a seafarer, you must know what is a strait. So simple definition में a strait is basically a naturally formed navigable waterway that connecting two water bodies. In simple term, we can say a channel of water that lies between two land masses. अब मैंने इंग्लिश में आपको समझा तो दिया या डेफिनेशन बता तो दी, पर इसको समझना जब तक कोई मैप में अच्छे से समझा ना दे तब तक समझ में नहीं आता। तो चलिए चलते हैं, मैप में थोड़ा बहुत समझते हैं, इंडिया के इर्द गिर्द ही घूमते हैं, उसमें समझते हैं कि कौन सी स्ट्रेट और ये क्या है। सो लेट्स गो।
ये है हमारा प्यारा भारत, और जो स्ट्रेट मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ उसका नाम है पाक स्ट्रेट, जो कि श्रीलंका और भारत को अलग करती है, और ये जोड़ती है बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड गल्फ ऑफ मुन्नार को। भारत के पश्चिम में चलते हैं, इधर गल्फ ऑफ मान को जोड़ती है पर्शियन गल्फ से, जिस स्ट्रेट का नाम है गल्फ ऑफ हर्मस। यमन कंट्री के नीचे यहां पर गल्फ ऑफ एडन को जोड़ती है रेड सी से, जिस स्ट्रेट का नाम है बाबेल मांदेब स्ट्रेट।
अब मुझे लगता है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो आप समझे ही होंगे। चलो मेरी कोशिश कामयाब हुई। सो मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूंगा कि आई हैव transited various straits, as I've already told you. The name of the states: Bosphorus Straits, the one in the Istanbul; Bering Straits. So whenever you're talking about these straits, the thing which comes into your mind is international date line. Third one is Straits of Hormuz, which connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Aden. Malacca Strait, as you all. Singapore Strait, most of the seafarers they know actually. Strait of Gibraltar, Dover Strait, English Channel. Kara Strait. I've also put a video. Actually, I have not focused on the straits, but I have focused on the place which I have gone through, and to reach that place you have to go through the Kara Straits where we were stuck. I'll put on the link down below. You can see that video also. Next one is Taiwan Strait, and the last one is Korea Strait. So Magellan Strait, as you all know, that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean or vice versa. The specialty about this strait is it's a curvy navigable channel which is approximately 350 nautical miles and in width ranging from 2 nautical mile minimum to 20 nautical mile maximum. And this strait is basically famous for its natural beauty, the glaciers and the mountains. So let's enjoy some of the videos which I have taken along with the photos. एंडिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट, आप सब सोच ही रहे होंगे कि मेरे हाथ में है क्या. सो दिस व्हाट एक्चुअली यू गेट आफ्टर ट्रांजिटिंग थ्रू Magellan Strait. This is given to you by pilot. So I will let you know what all is there in this. The name of the country, Chile. Certificate of navigation, as it is written in their own language. Rank of the officer, name of the ship, date on which I have transited. The date is 28 March 2017, as you all can see. And the two pilot, Chile, shown as a fertile province in the renowned Antarctic region. Ferdinand Magellan, discoverer of the strait named after him in 1520, on dying prematurely before concluding the first trip around the world. Never realized he had arrived to a new country called Chile, portion of the famous Antarctic territory according to contemporary historians and writers. Magellan, sir, was the first man both to open this route and to give it name. The establishment of Fort Buenos in 1843 and the later foundation of the city Punta Arenas in 1849, both at Magellan Strait, riverside, located particular only of Chile, and this is important by the group. So this is all about this certificate. The question will be coming into your mind that is this certificate given to the navigation officer? No, that is not correct. This certificate is given to all the crew. So this is all about the Magellan Straits. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for liking our previous videos. Once again, Eid Mubarak to all our viewers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.